Hello, friends! Today is our class number 7, and we're going to learn about navigation. Navigation means moving around your artboard or workspace, zooming in and out, and controlling your design easily.
First, let's talk about the zoom tool. With the zoom tool, we can zoom in or zoom out on our artwork. The shortcut is Ctrl++ for zooming in and Ctrl+- for zooming out.
This is the zoom tool. You can also click on it directly or use the shortcut key Z. When you press Z and scroll your mouse, it will zoom in and zoom out just like this. This is the hand tool, and its shortcut key is H. When you click it, a small hand icon appears. With this hand, you can move your artboard easily.